Kwenzekeni sisi? Kade ngilile nomana ngizongoma sengimemeza ethi lethu ngiphenduka umuntu uyamgwaza kanje umgwaze ekhanda umgwaze emqaleni umgwaze enyaweni uma ezama ukuphusha ngonyawo mase wamgwaza la wamgwaza yonke indawo mase umama efuna amakhelwane la ezolamula wavala ikhethini ngoba uma besela wavala ikhethini wathi umakhelwane uzofonela amaphoyisa wathi akawafonele wavala ikhethini waqhubeka
akasali namaphoyisa
emva lapha ngazuthi uba uvulile noma uyena uvulile isefoni khamba because bengisekamereni ngizama ukufonela u-anti wami umama wakhoza lana waqhubeka wamgwaza kamakhelwane ngommese
ubhushu futhi wamleso
bese wafika u-anti wami
uyamgwaza nawe uficeselele phezu kwanethi
ungakabhluthi uhlangane naye la kwama-bushes kwi-anda because amaphoyisa
siyabonga kakhulu mfethu into eniyenzile nimashe nikhombisile ukuthi umuntu anibi naye ebuhleni kuphela kodwa noma kukhona izimo ezimvelelile niyakwazi so njengamanje family nithwele kakhulu nayo ibuyelwa ihope uma ibona le support engaka enipha yona even nokuyihlalela ezinye izinto enisihlelela zona so siyabonga kakhulu nje kwimashi bafowethu movement yenu enhle esiyithandayo esiyisekayo futhi kakhulu ukuthi umuntu ose-South Africa ngokungemthetho kubalulekile ukuthi alishiye lelizwe abuyele ezweni lakhe naye hamba yolungisa inkinga zakhe sisale nezwe lethu nathi silungise zethu ngoba asisakwazi ukuthola kahle izinto ezilingana thina ngoba masekunanabantu aba-extra esibalweni sezinto ezisuke ezihlalelwe thina so guys ngala umazi sizosho ukuthi bafowethu siyabonga bonke abantu abasisupportile nonke ngeke ngibiza amagama omzimba ekhalimali omenzi biyela umfowethu o-actayo onqobile mbandlwa siyakubonga kakhulu le support eNCPro nasiyifamily iyasiqinisa kakhulu isimo-ke sikasisi-ke namanje asikajabulisi kusase-ICU singenile ngaphakathi laphana enkantolo namhlanje ke ngenhlanhla-ke icala lakhe lingeni likwazi ukuthi lingene kwi-roll yamacala azoqhubeka le nkantolo base bayihlehlisa-ke bahlehlisela ikusasa njengoba kade sechazela umsholozi ukuthi ngenhloso yokuthi bafuna ukuthi abe khona kusasa engakubalula nje ukuthi i-magistrate ithole ukuthi maningi amaphutha enzekile estation police station la boshwa khona lo muntu maningi izinto abangayilandelanga kahle ngoba nangalesikhathi bemnyisa khona laphana ukuthi ayobhandishwa izandla esibhedlela kwakumele baqale bayenze application yalokho ukuthi lesibopha umuntu la kodwa sifisa ukuthi sim-applyele ukuthi akaye esibhedlela ngoba phela umuntu maseboshiwe akuseyena amaphoyisa sekuwe state lo muntu into yakhe sekufanele yazi ukuthi isuke iphi yabo but masifika la enkantolo sothi okuningi abalandelanga imigudu efanele but-ke ngosizo kwelo ukuthi-ke nasi bakhona abameli esisebenzisana nabo kuyasijabulisa ukuthi yonke into iyazama manje ukuthi ibuye ngoba bese kuney'nkulumo zokuthi kwakusasa angeke afike uzovela isiwe Fortnite engazange enkantolo ikuchithile-ke lokhu inkantolo athi no akabuye ezenkantolo kube inkantolo embonayo ukuthi akekho fit bese ibhala incwadi yokuthi imusele amandla
sizwile ukuthi ama-charges awu-4 akhona charge yokuqala i-attempted murder because I think usisi bazochaza bafethu but I think umgwaze more than 40 times ikakhulukazi because kunama-injuries asekhanda that angena almost closer to i-brain so we just need to pray of course ukuthi uNkulunkulu a-intervene lapho akwazi ukuphuma but the reality if you look at the extent of the damage the intention was a murder and that's why then a charge for attempted murder for usisi but also there was an injury to Ndodakazi again there's a charge for that which is attempted murder because if ukwazi umuntu nganqamuka ama-veins kwenzekile so there are 2 people that he tried to kill but the third issue is ama-documents wakhe okuba la there's allegation we're saying allegation for now because that must be confirmed enkantolo ukuthi ngathi kade lokho ayingene ngakho kwamphelela so basically khona bakhe la is also illegal as well so you are not dealing with a murderer or attempted a person who wanted to commit murder, but we are dealing with also a criminal or law against our immigration laws. This is a person obviously ozela, and I think one of the issues we must take up with the state. There's an allegation ukuthi berana amasonto lo muntu, but there's imithetho as well regulate ukurana kwamasonto in South Africa. So we need to investigate and see ukuthi leyo mthetho as well ayibreachwanga yini yena. But also there was already protection order ukuthi angabuyi la azokwenza lo mhlangano wakho kuzama ukuthandaza and any other thing ufuna ukuyenza. Wa breach even that protection order, which means umuntu obeze with the intention ukuzobabulala. So I think okwethu because umndeni was spoken now because icala between yena ne state, umndeni unelungelo lokuphoint abameli ukwenza lento ukuthi ukuwatch brief. So ilokho kumndeni okwenzile ukusappoint ukuthi sizobheka lize liyophela icala. So every step istate esenzayo sizobe silmonitor. If there are issues, if for instance they decide ukuthi abamprosecute, we'll do the normal process of apply for a private prosecution. Then sizokhuluma nenhlaka esisebenza nazo simshushise thina because umthetho uyakuvuma lokho. So at the end of the day umephuma la kufanele aphume eyejele eyodonsa over 15 years eWestville, which is what we want. But umeqeda ukudonsa isigwebo sakhe fana hamba. I think okucritical ukubalekile ukuthi njengoba ehleli lapha esibhedlela every single day udla imali yama citizens. Umbheda ahleli kona uyakhokhelwa, ugesi ahleli kona, amanzi ageza ngawo, ukudla kudlayo. But at the same time each and every nurse nodokotela ombona every day uyakhokhelwa estate and imali yama ratepayers. For a criminal ofanele ngabuzela enkantolo, abantu abasenkantolo, stenographer, prosecutor, umantshi, and every system elangaphakathi yakhokhelwa. This is a problem we have with people abusing our justice system. They just walk into our country, they kill people. But if bethiwa bayibuyela la basuka khona ko Malawi ko Burundi, I'm sure sibonela abasuka la badansiswa lapha by the state. The problem is our justice system sometimes allows these things, but umthetho. So we just need to comply with the law. Sibe patient, we must make sure ukuthi asibashayi. But every single foreigner sibonayo, let's bring them here because more people are going to be killed by these people. So yeah, chuthi kusasa inkantolo iyaqhubeka ngo8:30, then we'll hear mangabe sefika nanokumbona ke nje ebusweni ukuthi ubani. Thank you so much.